Okay, good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss about condensation reaction of aldehydes and ketones with derivatives of ammonia. Here we are going to study about chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones, and this chemical property is condensation reaction of aldehyde and ketone with derivatives of ammonia. Okay. In this, first chemical property is in condensation reaction. First condensation reaction is reaction with hydroxylamine. Reaction with hydroxylamine. First condensation reaction of aldehyde and ketone is condensation with hydroxylamine. In this reaction, aldehyde or ketone are reacted with hydroxylamine in presence of weak acid. It gives oxime. When you react aldehyde and ketone with hydroxylamine, this reaction gives oxime as a product. This is the condensation reaction. In this reaction, we are going to react aldehyde or ketone. For example, this is our aldehyde. For we take example CH3 C double bond O H. This is our aldehyde ethanol. When ethanol is reacted with hydroxylamine, hydroxylamine means NH2OH. Hydroxylamine means it contains hydroxy group as well as amine group. This is called hydroxylamine. When it is condensed in presence of weak acid, in this case one water molecule is eliminated in this condensation reaction. It gives CH3 H double bond N, this is OH, plus one water molecule is eliminated. This is called oxime. This is the first condensation reaction. In this, we are reacting aldehyde or it may be ketone with hydroxylamine. It gives oxime. In oxime, the nitrogen is bonded with carbon with doubly bonded, and this nitrogen is attached to the OH group. This is called oxime. If we take the example, if you react acetone, for example ketone, this is our ketone which is called acetone, CH3 C double bond O CH3. When it is reacted with hydroxylamine, this is our hydroxylamine in presence of acidic. This is our acetone and this is hydroxylamine. From here, when water molecule is eliminated as a byproduct, then it becomes CH3 C CH3 double bond N OH plus S2. This is called acetone oxime. This is the condensed product. Okay. When you react benzaldehyde, this is our benzaldehyde. Third example, this is our benzaldehyde. When benzaldehyde is reacted with hydroxylamine, from here water molecule is eliminated. It gives C double bond N, here is OH, this as it is H, plus one water molecule is eliminated, and this is benzaldehyde and product is benzaldeoxime. This product is called benzaldeoxime. Okay, this is the condensation of aldehyde or ketone with hydroxylamine. Next condensation reaction is reaction with hydrazine. Reaction with hydrazine. Reaction with hydrazine. In this reaction, aldehyde or ketone are reacted with hydrazine. Hydrazine means NH2 single bond NH2. This is called hydrazine. It gives product of hydrazone. Okay. When aldehyde or ketone are condensed with hydrazine, it gives product of hydrazone. For example, this is our aldehyde, which is called formaldehyde. When formaldehyde is condensed with hydrazine NH2, NH2, this is called hydrazine in presence of weak acid. Again same reaction, here one water molecule is eliminated to give C double bond N NH2, this is H and this is H, plus one water molecule is eliminated, and this is called hydrazone. Okay, this is the second condensation reaction of aldehyde and ketone with reacting with hydrazine. If we take another example, instead of formaldehyde, CH3 C double bond O H, this is our acetaldehyde. When acetaldehyde is reacted with hydrazine NH2, NH2, one water molecule is eliminated, which gives CH3 C double bond N NH2, and this is H, plus one water molecule is eliminated, and this is called acetaldehyde, and this is acetaldehyde, and product is acetaldehyde hydrazone. Okay, this is the condensation with hydrazine. Okay, next condensation reaction is reaction with phenylhydrazine. This is our phenylhydrazine. The difference between hydrazine and phenylhydrazine is, in here phenylhydrazine, one hydrogen of the hydrazine is replaced by the phenyl ring, means benzene ring. This is called phenylhydrazine. When aldehydes and ketones are react with phenylhydrazine, it is converted into corresponding phenylhydrazones. It is converted into corresponding phenylhydrazone. In hydrazine, these are converted into their hydrazones, but in phenylhydrazone, these are converted into their corresponding phenylhydrazones. Okay, let's see the example. This is our example, CH3 C double bond O H. It is our acetaldehyde. When acetaldehyde is condensed with the phenylhydrazine like NH2 NH C6 H5. Again same reaction in presence of weak acid. Here one water molecule is eliminated. It gives CH3 C double bond N NH C6 H5. This is our phenylhydrazone, and this is called acetaldehyde phenylhydrazone. This is called acetaldehyde phenylhydrazone. Plus here one water molecule is eliminated. In condensation reaction, smaller molecules are eliminated. Next example, if you take ketone CH3, this is our ketone like acetone. When it is reacted with phenylhydrazone NHC6H5 in presence of weak acid, from here when water molecule is eliminated, it gives C double bond N NHC6H5, it is CH3, this is CH3 plus one water molecule is eliminated, and this is called acetone phenylhydrazone. This is acetone phenylhydrazone. This is the third condensation reaction of aldehydes and ketones with phenylhydrazine. This is our condensation reaction with phenylhydrazine, and in first we have seen the condensation reaction with hydrazine, it gives hydrazone, and in phenylhydrazone it gives corresponding phenylhydrazone. Okay, these are the condensation reaction. Okay, next point is reaction with primary amine. When aldehydes and ketones are reacted with primary amine, it gives cheap base, means cheap base, which are also called imines. When aldehyde and ketone reacted with primary amine, it gives cheap base, which is also called imines. For example, when aldehyde, for example, this is our aldehyde, when aldehyde is reacted with primary amine means this is our primary amine, this is our aldehyde and this is primary amine. Primary amine means in ammonia one hydrogen is replaced by the one alkyl group. This is called primary amine. When aldehyde react with primary amine, here when water molecule is eliminated, it gives R C double bond N R H. This is called imine, plus one water molecule is eliminated. Okay, this is formation of imine. Here imine means nitrogen is doubly bonded with the carbon. This product is called imine, and this is also called cheap base. Okay.